Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What are 6 key Taltz side effects to watch out for? Key points. Taltz, ixekizumab, is an injectable medication that may be used to treat plaque psoriasis, psoriatic arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and nonradiographic axial spondyloarthritis. It works by lowering inflammation in the body. Common side effects of Taltz include injection site reactions, conjunctivitis, and nausea. More serious side effects include infections, inflammatory bowel disease, and severe allergic reactions. Most side effects are mild to moderate and can be managed at home. However, it's possible to develop a serious infection or allergic reaction that requires immediate medical attention. What is Taltz? Taltz, ixekizumab, is an interleukin-17A antagonist that may be used to treat a few different autoimmune conditions. These conditions include plaque psoriasis, psoriatic arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and nonradiographic axial spondyloarthritis. Taltz is given as a subcutaneous, under the skin, injection. The dosage of Taltz depends on your condition, age, and body weight. 6 Side effects of Taltz and how to manage them. Side effects from Taltz are similar in adults and children. Below, we'll review 6 side effects of Taltz that you should watch out for. Many potential side effects from Taltz can be managed at home until they resolve. We'll go over which side effects can be treated at home and some tips on how to do so. Point 1. Injection site reactions. Injection site reactions are a common side effect from Taltz. Because Taltz is injected under the skin, it can cause redness, pain, and swelling in the area where you inject it. In clinical studies, many people reported redness and pain around the injection site. Most reactions from injecting Taltz are mild or moderate, and patients can continue taking the medication. Tips for managing injection site reactions. Take an over-the-counter pain reliever. Apply an ice pack for 10 minutes to help with swelling. Avoid wearing tight clothing around the injection site. If you notice redness, pain, or swelling around the injection site that doesn't seem to be getting better after a few days, contact your doctor for further evaluation. They can make sure the site is not infected. Also contact your doctor if you experience any symptoms that seem severe. Point 2. Conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis, commonly known as pink eye, is another potential side effect from taking Taltz. Up to 3% of patients in clinical trials reported conjunctivitis as a side effect. Since conjunctivitis can be caused by allergies, a bacteria, or a virus, it is important to notify your doctor if you experience symptoms of conjunctivitis. Symptoms of conjunctivitis include red eyes, itchy eyes, eye pain, watery eyes, swollen eyelids, blurry vision, discharge from the eyes. Tips for managing conjunctivitis. Put a cold washcloth on your eyes. Stop wearing contact lenses until your doctor tells you it is okay to wear them. Use artificial tears to relieve dryness. The recommended treatment for pink eye depends on which type of pink eye you have. For this reason, if you have signs or symptoms of pink eye, you should contact your doctor. They can help you figure out the cause and how to best treat it. For example, if you have bacterial conjunctivitis, you may need an antibiotic. Follow your doctor's instructions for treating your pink eye. Related questions: what does psoriasis look like? How do you get psoriasis and is it contagious? How does Tremfya work to treat plaque and psoriatic arthritis? 3. Nausea. You may feel nauseous during your treatment with Taltz. In 12-week clinical trials, about 2% of patients taking Taltz for plaque psoriasis reported nausea as a side effect. Tell your doctor if you feel so nauseous that it is affecting your normal daily activities. For most people, nausea can be managed at home. Tips for managing nausea. Eat smaller meals throughout the day. Choose bland foods and avoid spicy or greasy foods. Do not eat too quickly. Drink plenty of fluids to stay hydrated. Stay upright after eating. Try ginger or peppermint tea. Point 4. Inflammatory bowel disease. During 12-week clinical trials of adults taking Taltz for plaque psoriasis, more patients experienced new or worsening symptoms of Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis compared to patients taking a placebo, no active medication. However, less than 1% of people taking Taltz reported inflammatory bowel disease. Tell your doctor if you experience new or worsening symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease, including stomach pain, diarrhea, with or without blood, weight loss. Point 5. Infections. Taltz can weaken your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off infections. Infections reported by people taking Taltz include upper respiratory tract infections, sinus infections, urinary tract infections, and fungal skin infections. Most infections are mild or moderate, but sometimes infections can become serious. During 12-week clinical trials of patients taking Taltz for plaque psoriasis, infections occurred in 27% of people taking Taltz compared to 23% of patients taking a placebo. However, 57% of patients taking Taltz reported infections compared to 32% of patients in the placebo group during weeks 13 to 60. It's important to note that serious infections occurred in less than 1% of patients taking Taltz. Your doctor will check you for tuberculosis, TB, before starting Taltz. Try to get up to date with your vaccines before starting treatment to lower your risk of infection. Do not get vaccines during treatment without consulting your doctor, since live vaccines are not recommended. Tell your doctor if you notice any symptoms of an infection before or during treatment, such as a fever, cough, diarrhea, stomach pain, pain when urinating, or muscle aches. Point 6. Allergic reactions. Allergic reactions from Taltz are possible, including life-threatening allergic reactions. If you experience hives, trouble breathing, chest tightness, swelling in your face or throat, or feel faint, get medical attention right away. This is not a complete list of side effects. See here for more information, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.